हेलो साथीहरू, अब हामी डिसी सर्किटको न्युमेरिकल गर्दैछौँ। डिसी सर्किटको न्युमेरिकल ओल्ड इज गोल्डबाट हो अनि यसको 2075 सेट ए को गर्न गइरहेछौँ हामी। सल्युसन two lamps rated 25 watt at 220 volt and 100 watt at 220 volt are connected to 220 volt supply. Calculate the power consumed by the lamps in series. यो कम्बिनेसन सिरिजमा छ। यो कम्बिनेसन सिरिजमा छ भने त्यो रेटेड त्यो प्यारललमा हुन्थ्यो भने त्यो त्यसको जति रेटेड पावर छ त्यति पावर कन्ज्युम गर्थ्यो। अब हामीलाई सिरिजमा दिएछ। अब सिरिजमा त्यो सिरिजको अब त्यो 25 वाटले कति पावर खान्छ अनि 100 वाटले कति पावर खान्छ भनेर सोधे निकाल्नलाई। कसरी निकाल्ने त? अब सल्युसन गिभन के गिभन छ त? bulb for bulb 25 वाट को लागि 25 वाट बल्ब को लागि power is equals to 25 watt, volt is equals to 220 volt, marked volt छ यो। त्यो बल्ब को त्यति भोल्टेज चाहिन्छ। नाउ अब यसको रेसिस्टेन्स निकाल्ने, त्यो बल्ब को रेसिस्टेन्स निकाल्ने, त्यो ल्याम्प को रेसिस्टेन्स निकाल्ने। रेसिस्टेन्स कति हुन्छ त? वी नो P is equals to V square by R हो। अनि R is equals to V square by P हुन्छ। V square 220 को square by P is equals to 25. It will becomes 1936 ohm. Again for 100 watt lamp, P is equals to 100 watt, V is equals to 220 volt. Now यसको लागि नि पहिला रेसिस्टेन्स निकाल्ने। P is equals to V square by R, R is equals to V square by P. V square means 220 square by 100. It will becomes 484 ohm. अब यसको रेसिस्टेन्स त निस्कियो। अब रेसिस्टेन्स निस्कियो भने यसको मानौं यो P1 यो P2 भयो भने यो रेसिस्टेन्स R1 यो R2 भयो। अब रेसिस्टेन्स निस्कियो। अब के गर्ने त? अब अगेन when the lamp is connected in series, and 220 volt supply here, final volt supply is equals to 220 volt. So in series to 220 volt supply, the voltage across। अब त्यो दुईटा सिरिजमा कम्बिनेसन छ, सिरिज कम्बिनेसन छ दुईटै ल्याम्पको। अनि 220 भोल्ट पावर सप्लाई गर्छ भने त्यो के अरे 25 वाटको ल्याम्पलाई कति भोल्टेज चाहिन्छ, त्यसले कति भोल्टेज कन्ज्युम गर्यो भनेर निकाल्न पर्छ। त्यही हो। अनि के हो त? V is equals to V into हामीलाई R1 मा निकालेको छौ, त्यहाँबाट V into R1 by R1 plus R2।
हामीलाई पावर सप्लाई कति V इक्वल्स यो V लाई V1 माने हुन्छ V1 इज इक्वल्स टु V भनेको 220 भोल्ट इन्टु B इन्टु R1 हामीलाई कति थियो 1936 ओहम 1936 by 484 R1 plus R2 is equals to volt कति आयो त 1936 into 220 is equals to 80 by 484 plus 1936 is equals to 176 volt 176 volt अनि भोल्ट आयो हामीलाई भोल्ट आयो रेसिस्टेन्स दिएकै छ भने पावर निकाल्न सकिन्छ सो पावर कन्ज्युम्ड बाइ by 25 watt lamp is P is equals to B square by R. हामीलाई V आयो 176 square by R. We have R is equals to 1936 square is equals to this by 1936 is equals to 16 watt. So the power consumed by 25 watt lamp is 16 watt. Again हामीले फेरि अर्को ल्याम्पको लागि नि निकाल्न पर्छ त्यो अर्को ल्याम्पको लागि कसरी निकाल्ने सेम प्रोसेस again the voltage across 100 watt lamp when connected in series to 220 volt supply is V2 is equals to V into R2 by R1 plus R2 equals to we have V is equals to 220 into 1936 sorry 484 by 1936 into plus 484 here we have R2 is equals to 484 so I put it here 484 is equals to 220 into 484 sorry 484 is equals to this by 1936 plus 484 equals to 44 volt again power consumed by 100 watt lamp is P is equals to V square by R here V2 by R2 is equals to V2 is equals to we have 44 square by 484 square is equals to this 1936 by 484 is equals to 4 watt. This is our required answer.
हेलो साथीहरु ल अब हामी 2025 सेट बीटीसी सर्किटको न्युमेरिकल गरौँ त ल स्टार्ट गरौँ क्वेशन के छ Two resistance of 1000 ohm and 2000 ohm are placed in series with 50 volt main supply. What will be the reading on a voltmeter of internal resistance 2000 when placed across the 1000 ohm resistor? What fractional change in voltage occurs when voltmeter is connected? Here given two resistors of 1000 ohm, one of 1000 ohm and another of 2000 ohm. connected with main supply of 50 volt. What will be the reading on voltmeter of internal resistance? When placed across the 1000 ohm resistor, 1000 ohm resistor को across मा एउटा voltmeter place गरियो मानम यहाँ छ तब कि 1000 and of internal resistance RB. Internal resistance RB of voltmeter is given by 2000 ohm. Now, what I have to find? What will be the reading on voltmeter? Voltmeter को reading voltmeter कति reading गर्छ त्यो निकाल्ने भनेपछि अब हामीले पोटेन्शियल डिफरेन्स निकाल्ने पोटेन्शियल डिफरेन्स अफ आरबी निकाल्ने अब कसरी निकाल्ने त अब पहिला यहाँ if it is A and it is B, then the resistance across AB is RAB is equals to K हुन्छ 2000 into 1000 by 2000 plus 1000. Okay. Now the value is 2000. This will become 2000 by 3. Yes, 2000 by 3 ohm. So the total resistance of the circuit. What is the total resistance of the circuit? Here, this resistor and this resistor is connected in series, so the resistance is added. Then R is equals to, we have 2000 by 3 plus 2000. It will be 2000 plus 6000 by 3. It will be 8000 by 3. We can write here R1 is equals to here R2 is equals to. Now what I have to find? I have to find the potential difference across voltmeter or the voltmeter reading. So first of all, I have to calculate the current in the circuit. So now current in the circuit. Current in the circuit, I is equals to we have here V is equals to 50 volt. So V by R is equals to, we have 50 by 8000 by 3. It will be 0.150 by 8000 is equals to 0.01875 ampere. So I have to calculate the potential difference across voltmeter. We know that in parallel the voltmeter potential difference is same. So here the voltmeter and R1 is in parallel. So now what the potential difference across 1000 ohm resistor is equals to potential difference is equals to where B is equals to I into R AB is equals to I हाम्रो कति आयो 0.01875 into RAB कति हो हाम्रो we have RAB is equals to 2000 by 3 12.5 is equals to 12.5. So potential difference across 1000 ohm resistor after voltmeter is connected. Again, the potential difference before connecting the voltmeter. We have V is equals to, what will be? We have
potential difference across R1. Potential difference across R1. We have thousand ohm resistor of R1 by R1 plus R2 into volt by 3000 into 50 is equals to, we have 50 by 30 into 16.67 volt. Now we have to calculate what? Fractional change is equals to 16.67 minus 12.5 by 16.67 is equals to minus 12. It will be 0.2549 is equals to 0.25 almost into 100% when निकाल्ने हो, so into 100 is equals to 25%. It's required answer.